My perspective would be more from a product standpoint. What you see when we talk about AI, a lot of people talk about AI, we'll do this, we'll do that, but there are a lot of things which one don't understand when it comes to AI. Is what we are seeing is a tip of iceberg today, okay? And there's a lot which goes underneath the surface, actually speaking. And from a product standpoint, from an engineering standpoint, there is a ton of work which happens. All the leaders who are kind of talking about AI, yes, they're talking from a more customer touchpoint standpoint, but to enable that or to make it a success, I think a lot of work happens in the backgrounds, okay, from an engineering standpoint, from a product standpoint. We all have to take the cognizance of that fact. Now, with the advent of new tech, right, you call it Gen AI, you call it LLMs, you call it SLMs, whatever it is, there's an entire landscape which is actually transforming. Maybe for certain domains it is happening at a very rapid pace, and for certain domains it is happening a little slow. But obviously, as a couple of panelists already have mentioned, that we are at an inflection point, right, which is true. And this is gonna kind of continue for, it's something we call it, right, in Gartner also, they mentioned there's a hype cycle for everything. And sometimes for certain domains that hype comes early, and certain domains wait out to see if that hype is real or not, so that they can adopt it and see the right or real ROI. And to do all this, there's a lot of tech which has to be applied. One thing which I can say is AI will obviously transform every business out there as we see it. But the important thing, what we look at or how we have to look at AI is also dependent on certain important elements. One major thing is where everybody will kind of definitely say yes for that, is the data, which is the crux of it, right? If you don't have data, you might have a fantastic model, but still you will struggle to achieve the benefit of that model. So we all have to understand that AI plays a crucial role, no doubt, but the ingesting of data is an important aspect when it comes to tech, and convert it into something what you're seeing as an action or the output of AI. So there's no doubt it's a cohesive echo from everyone here. AI will transform things. AI will do a lot of magic in the days to come, in a good way as well as in a very bad way also. So we all have to brace ourselves for the positives of AI, at the same time the negatives of AI. So be thoughtful, be careful, be mindful when you're applying AI. You might be thinking that you're applying AI for the benefit of your business, but it might also backfire. So please be very mindful about the fact that we have to tread it in a careful way, so that we kind of get the best out of AI and not kind of seeing the darker side of the AI, right? So that's my take on AI, man. Thank you.